Welcome to the episode of the $500,000 Palace home tour in Venice. So today we are going on a little adventure to do a real estate viewing of a palace here in Venice. It's very exciting, my first time seeing a palace for sale, so let's go check it out. Here comes our transportation. Apartment or this palace is actually located on an island called Lido. It is also where they host every summer the Venice Film Festival. So a very cool place to both for sightseeing and also house hunting purpose. Oh my god, is this a place? It's gorgeous. It's really beautiful.
Yes, it's fantastic.
Wow. Hey, very interesting discovery here. So you have the old-time palace building. Grand, marvelous. Now chop into the smaller apartment units for individual owners. But that's not it. In addition to that, there's also quite common these days to have an extension from historical building and build up the modern world apartment. So then it really increase the entire apartment complex, condo community to split up all the maintenance costs. Welcome home. Oh, I really love that apartment right at the first sight. The moment we open the door, it's like we are back to 100 or 200 or even longer time ago. The unit is actually very small with one common area for the dining and also living room. And then following the stairways to go up to the bedroom. The bedroom is the interesting part because there's actually no window. If I were living there, I probably will put in the light that looks like the lamp and you can switch it on as if there's daylight coming in. And when you look out to the grand ceiling, the artwork, the pastel-ish kind of paint, it's also being touched up throughout the years by the building management, but of course with a special ladder to go this high up. And I also noticed one thing is that along the wall up there, it looks like there are some secret door that you can open. It almost feels like you're in those old movies where you go into the castle and explore the secret tunnel. The outdoor area is very nice with the terrace up there. It feels very grand, but one pity is that It's the winter time, so the sunshine, even though we're facing south, it doesn't go down to the second floor. Therefore, that means the whole place is kind of cold in the winter time. Interesting. So the kitchen is very small. Well, you have to think about it that initially when the palace was built up, it was meant to be the entire building. Therefore, each floor has a very specific purpose. But nowadays, given that it's chopped up to be several apartments, the kitchen that you see here was not the original. It was the afterwards reconstruction. Right next to the kitchen is the maid's room. Fancy. In other cities, sometimes this small space will be already a studio apartment on its own. But so this is where the maids will be staying, and then right next to the kitchen for any need for urgent cook. Closet. And the bathroom is really modern, so there's no more historical flavor to it. Alright, we just finished the home tour. I really like it, but I think now it's time to do a little sightseeing, and I heard that there's a beach. Most of the time when you come to Venice, you stay in the main island, and not a lot of people think about going to the beach. But since we're here, super close walking distance, let's go check it out.
I never know that when you come to Venice, you can also go to the beach. So it's nice to come here and breathe in some fresh air.
And that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure that you click on the subscribe button below and turn on the notification. I will see you next time.